Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives. And today, we're talking sunflowers. This is a sunflower plant, the seeds left over from last year. But before I get into this master class, I got to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. We have over 240 videos all dedicated to urban farming. Behind me, the historic street we call Vine, where bebop was born. And here we are at our urban farm, named after my grandmother, Miss Ophelia. There she is. Say hi, Miss Ophelia. I'm waiting. There you go. So today in this master class, I want to talk about sunflowers. You know, nothing's as magical as sunflowers. Of course, a number of different species of sunflowers, some mammoth and some small, some petite, some all different colors. And so here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, I always like to plant some sunflowers because they're just so amazing to people when they walk by and they're on their they have the ear pods in and they're just jamming, and then they come and then they, good Lord, what is that? And it really makes you stop and think. That's amazing. And so really that's why we planted it here in an urban environment. A lot of kids especially don't experience these type of things. And so if you follow us and follow our channel, you know that growing your own food is like printing your own money. And so we brought sunflower seeds a long time ago, and we've been saving the seeds. And as you can see, this is from last year. And what we do is you let them flower, and you leave a couple of them on and let them dry out naturally. And the birds will go in and they'll eat some too. They will pick some out. And I'm going to pull one out here as well and show you right here. So you could take this right here. Can you see? Right, where is it at? Right there. So that's the sunflower seed. You could take this, put this in a salt solution, and you could actually bake these and eat these. And nothing like watching a baseball game and eating some roasted sunflower seeds. And so this is how you would do that. And what we've done was actually we've saved the seeds, and we planted those seeds out in some soil a couple of weeks ago. And so I have let those grow up to be about a foot, and I have transplanted those into this pot right here. And as you can see, I've got a bamboo stick for some support because this one is going to get fairly tall. But I'll let you in on a little secret. If I restrict the roots of this sunflower, so if I leave it in a small pot, I can actually reduce its potential and stunt its growth. And so that's, so you would do that if you didn't want it to grow 10 feet or taller right here. And so this one, I think we want to be about 8 to 9 feet. I've staked it right here to give it a little bit support. Of course, sunflowers, native to right here. Native Americans used to plant sunflowers. And again, they go back to 3000 BCE. And it's just amazing, amazing, amazing plant. So what we've done right here is I have actually already transplanted these. And what I did was I added some of this mushroom spawn right here that we grow here on the farm. And I mixed that into the soil. So we've got a fungally dominated living soil right here. And then I've sprinkled, these are some basil seeds right here, okay? So as this grows tall, we're gonna fill it out with some basil right here, and it should look really pretty. And that is sunflower. Look how beautiful it is. And it's going to look spectacular. So we've got some very high winds last couple of years here, and particularly last year and this season. As you can see right now, we have some pretty strong winds. And so this one I'm going to keep inside the greenhouse, and I'm going to baby it a little bit. It won't get nearly as much wind, and so I won't really have to worry about it being tipped over in a storm or some high winds. Fun fact, did you know, as tall as the sunflower plant grows, and it could grow 10 feet or taller, it has a very shallow root system, which enables it to to tip over easily in storms. So it's very unique. Possibly, that might be an opportunity, Farmer Mike, for you to take sunflower and graft it on another rootstock. But that, my friends, is another video. Live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. I'll see you in the next video. I think this is where I pushed the button.